Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Truly Ash back with another video, and don't mind my eyebrows. Don't look at them. But this is some braids. Well, they was some braids, but I had these braids in for like 4 weeks, I think. I had them in for like 4 weeks. I'm gonna take my braids down. I'm done taking my hair down or whatever, so I'm gonna take y'all with me to the bathroom so I can go wash my hair. The first thing I do is wet my hair before I add shampoo. The shampoo I'm going to be using is called Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. And then now I just rinse out the shampoo. Now it's time to part my hair. Usually I do sections of 4 because it's easier to maintain in sections. So I'm gonna just part my hair and section it off to get ready for the conditioner. The conditioner I'm going to be using is called Aussie Cleanse and Mend. When I add in the conditioner, I also finger detangle at the same time. After finger detangling, I comb through my hair with a wide tooth comb. I did not film myself putting in the leave-in conditioner, but this is the leave-in conditioner I use, and I just let my hair air dry.
Take it to my room, I'll give you what you need.
Baby, you gotta be trippin', put that booty away. You know I be sippin', got a bottle on the way. I stay on my pimpin', diamonds jumping out the vase. Tell 'em get up out the way, nigga you can catch a fade. I'm tryna see my